Okay. Hi guys, happy Friday. Um, Hope you've all had a good day thus far. Obviously I am not here. Um, be good for your sub. Okay, I'm leaving you guys this so you kind of know what you're supposed to be doing today. So at this point, all of your trifolds are done and completed, and last night you got some feedback on them. People got to view them. Remember, if you didn't bring a dessert, that you need to bring that on Monday to me. Okay, bring that Monday to me. All right. So what you're going to do with your time today. If you were here last week, there was a day we went over what the website's going to look like that you're creating. If you weren't here, this is going to help you out. Either way, it's a good refresher. Okay, so if you go to Classroom, like I am here, and you scroll down, not that far, Country Project website, click there. Okay, this is my website I created. And this has like basically all the directions that you're going to need. Okay, most of you have been on there. First thing you need to do, here at the top, it says, hello, you all will be creating a Google site. Click it. Okay, when you get there, go up to the top left hand corner, create. All right, and then it's going to say in classic sites or in new sites. You are going to click new sites. What are you going to click? New sites. Okay, good. Then when you get there, it'll, there it is. Okay. Give it a title, probably the name of your country. You can put like geography, world geography in your name up there, whatever. You can play around with this. I don't expect you to be an expert on it yet, okay? That's fine. You can play around. The things that you're going to need to add on to it. Once you've got your name and stuff on there, it'll go into your drive, to your Google Drive, so you'll be able to access it from there. Okay, going back. The things you need to work on today to have done for Monday are these things. One, your Adobe Spark. Some of you created your Adobe Spark for this country, your European country, and that's really great because now you don't have to worry about it. You can embed it if you want, okay? And embedding it, if you go here to embed on your website, you'll embed the code, and then it'll pop up as a video, just like it did for mine. Okay, so if you need to do that, I have the, see, I said embed a copy of your Adobe Spark. Okay, click on Adobe Spark if you need to make your Adobe Spark video. Make sure you make a video of it, okay? Then when you are finished, you can watch my Adobe Spark here to create, or I'm sorry, to see an example. Okay, if you need to see an example, watch mine. That is due on Monday. I will check on Monday, make sure you have that. The other thing that is due on Monday is your virtual tour. Okay, you can click there, take a virtual tour to see mine that I created about Heston. Very simple. Okay, and if you come up here, top right hand corner, you can turn on the narration.
Welcome to Heston High School.
Oh, there it is.
Here is where students receive their education.
There's my classroom.
9th through 12th grade. Here there is a variety of activities and sports students can get involved in. The Arboretum is a wonderful place to take a stroll or a run or maybe even a bike ride. There are beautiful wildflowers, and if you're lucky, you can catch the turtles.
Okay, so that is just an example here. There's 5 different slides here. You guys are going to create a tour of your 5 tourist attractions that you put for your country, okay? So if you come down here, click the button above to take a virtual tour of Heston. You will use this link to create the tour. All right, you'll go there, you'll click get started, you'll type in your tourist attractions, and then you can do that. You have to do a voiceover, okay, on 3 of them. You have to do a voiceover on 3 of them. And how you will do a voiceover is if you click this link, you will need this link to record your voice for your tours. Click on that, okay, and this page opens. You'll hold down this button, it saves as an MP3, and then you can upload it to your tour creator. Truly, I don't think this should take you that long. Okay? All right. So those are the two things that are due for Monday. All right? Your Adobe Spark video and your tour creator. You don't even necessarily need to get those onto the website yet, but I will check on Monday to make sure you have those finished. Okay? Also, don't forget to bring your dessert on Monday if you've signed up to do so. Okay. Everybody have a good weekend, and I will see you Monday.